opportunity.
Hi everybody, my name is Cupcake. My mom is an author.
Hello, my name is Stephen W. Cal.
I used to be like this lonely bird when I wrote.
I'm Sylvia Liu.
Hi, I'm Katie Davis. I'm an author and illustrator.
I'm Jackie, and I have a picture book fetish.
I am addicted to 12 by 12.
I do not like green eggs and ham.
I'm really happy that I decided to be a 12 by 12 participant this year.
I joined 12 by 12 and became part of the flock.
I have joined 12 by 12 this year. It will give me the opportunity to learn more and have my work critiqued.
The beauty of 12 by 12 is just having the freedom to put words on a page.
Last year, she wrote 12 picture books.
The best part so far has been the fact that I've been able to get my manuscripts critiqued.
This year, she's joined 12 by 12 again.
I know it's going to be an amazing year.
Maybe she'll write all 12 stories about dogs. Oh no. The first one's already about a spider.
I put up my manuscript a few days ago and I've gotten almost a dozen really insightful and excellent comments.
I ate a spider once. It was delicious.
Join 12 by 12.
You should join right now, today.
Make new friends.
Find characters that you fall in love with.
The support,
Learn invaluable writing tips.
the joy,
Create the practice of discipline in your writing.
the community.
If I can get this in a week, what's going to happen over the year?
My advice, stay clear, or you'll be addicted too.
So sign up for 12 by 12. You'll have a billion friends.
You won't be a lonely bird again.
Thanks.